IntelliKeys, an alternative keyboard for students with special needs, by Allison R. Rather than typing on a regular keyboard, which requires fine motor skills, the history of IntelliKeys began as a design to help people with special needs communicate through the computer with an alternative keyboard. It all began in 1979 when Steve Glensler created Unicorn Keyboard to help a friend with cerebral palsy. This tool was accessed with a head wand. In the 1980s, Arhan Khalsa joined Unicorn Engineering. They jointly created IntelliTools Incorporated in 1991 and shaped a new vision for assistive technology. IntelliTools provides technology to help struggling students learn to their fullest potential, serving students in pre-K through 8th who use assistive technology, have IEPs, have limited English proficiency, or need additional instructional support for any reason. To increase the functionality of IntelliKeys, IntelliTools introduced a line of creativity tools. There was an overlay maker, IntelliTalk, IntelliPix, and ClickIt. The function of IntelliKeys, it is a tool used in place of a standard keyboard. Packages contain an IntelliKeys USB driver and cable, keyboard, multiple keyboard layouts or overlays, and programs that allow teachers to create their own overlays. It is a flat membrane keyboard that is 18 by 24 inches and has 1-inch keys. Various keyboard sheets are interchangeable. Overlays for numbers, mouse movement, and alphabetical and key layouts can be slid into the IntelliKeys. They plug into any Macintosh or Windows computer. You can use it as a mouse, calculator, standard keyboard, way to change IntelliKey settings, a way for young children to type using an alphabet-oriented keyboard, or many other programs that you can use with IntelliKeys that are provided by IntelliTools. The possibilities are endless. Who, you might ask, can IntelliKeys assist? It enables users with visual impairments, limited fine motor control, spastic movements, or cognitive disabilities to easily type, enter numbers, navigate on-screen displays, and execute menu commands. Overlays are available to suit the needs of general and special education students. These are some examples of overlays, or alternative keyboard designs that can be easily slipped into and out of the IntelliKeys keyboard. Students may be unfamiliar with computers, but still use this tool to help with their communication. The formats range from basic IBM and Apple keyboard setups to keys arranged alphabetically for beginning typers, such as kindergartners. Students with blindness may purchase a Tactile Braille add-on at www.tac-tiles.com so they can feel the IntelliKeys. Here are more examples of IntelliTools, IntelliKeys layouts. Usage in the classroom. Students with learning or physical disabilities could use this tool to enhance their learning and communication. Additional software programs allow the computer to speak for the student or use subject-specific overlays, such as math symbols, pictures, mouse functions, writing, reading, science. Students could use this tool throughout the day to enhance class participation, group work, and classwork. This could be employed as a part of UDL. Since IntelliKeys works with any computers, students could use the product with a home computer. I'd like to briefly run through the features that IntelliKeys has. It has large, well-spaced keys in high contrast colors, has customizable settings such as response and repeat rate. It's easy to use with flexible switch interface. They're usable with custom overlays you create. You have on-screen control panels to adjust and save settings for individual users. You can plug and play the keyboard while the computer is running. The carrying case has a built-in handle, and you have full access to both the mouse and keyboard at all times. This is a high technology, so the pricing is quite high as well. If you look at www.intellitools.com, you can see some of the pricing. For an evaluation of IntelliKeys tool, you can check out the research that IntelliTools has done on their own product at the following website. And there are also 2 articles that I found that will help you with the evaluation, the pros and cons of IntelliKeys thus far. And you can see the EJ numbers that you can find in ERIC database. Some advantages are that you can use the overlay maker to create overlays for specific uses. You can use multiple programs for specific learning tasks using IntelliKeys. It is very easy to use, and IntelliKeys was designed with limited arm finger movement in mind. The settings exist to hold down Shift and Control keys and stop the repeating of letters if the user accidentally loses control over a specific key and holds it down. A few disadvantages include, since it is high-tech, it is quite costly depending on your budget, and as with any accommodation, you have to ensure that all students in the class understand how to operate the tool and practice safe use of it. A few awards that IntelliKeys has received so far include Johns Hopkins National Search for Computing to Benefit People with Disabilities, Media and Methods Magazine Award of Merit, and 100 Best Product Picks from Early Childhood News. Lastly, for more resources in IntelliKeys, I strongly encourage you to watch this brief introductory tutorial by IntelliKeys product manager David Robert Shaw to see this alternative keyboard in action. Only then will you truly begin to understand the power that this tool holds in classrooms and beyond. Please take a look. Enjoy using IntelliKeys.